Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and today's video. So the Swedish word of the day is beauty box, which is in Swedish skönhetsbox. Skönhetsbox. So in today's video, I thought that I would open up the birthday box from Lookfantastic. Lookfantastic has a beauty box or a skönhetsbox that they send out every single month. I get this in PR, so this is full disclosure, but I have never been asked to do these videos. I've always done them on Instagram and feature them there, but I thought that it may be a little bit more fun to do a little bit of a YouTube video on it. This is just a bonus video because these are super easy for me to film, edit and everything, and they don't get a ton of views, but I thought that it could be interesting for the people that is interested in it. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, please do so. And I will also say that I have a code. No, I have a link to Lookfantastic. And if you use that link when you shop, it really helps me out. That is why they are sending me PR, because you guys use it, and it's really helpful for me and my channel, because it gives me opportunities to work with brands and with companies that wouldn't have wanted to work with me if they couldn't see that people actually use the links and codes and everything. So just wanted to say that. Let's hop into it. I have already opened this up. I got this yesterday, so I have already opened it up, but this is what it looks like. So I am just gonna show you product after product. So first and foremost, you got this little pop socket, which I actually think is really fun. I don't care that it says Lookfantastic Beauty Box. I think actually, where's my phone? I think it is in another room, but it doesn't matter. But I think I have one with the flashes on there. I don't care. Honestly, don't care at all. So a pop socket is really nice. By the way, I filmed this look, so if you want to see it, you can click right up here in after you have watched this video. But let's go ahead and hop into this little one. This is a lip pencil from Diego Dalla Palma. This is the shade Diego Dalla Palma Milano Matita Labbra Lip Pencil. I have no idea in which shade it is, but it looks to be a very beautiful one that I would actually use. It is the shade Antique Pink. Yeah, it's just a lip pencil. I might actually put this in a giveaway because I rarely use lip pencils, but that was really fun to get. And then you got a product from Espa. This is super expensive. I have a couple of products from them. I just used their mud mask the other day and I love their mud mask. It doesn't hurt my skin or anything, but it still feels like it's doing what it's supposed to do. But they are super duper expensive, and this is actually a hair product. So this is a pink hair and scalp mud cleanser, micellar cleanser. No, pink hair and scalp mud. So you're supposed to massage this onto your scalp and then through your hair when it is wet. I know it sounds super strange. You're gonna leave it on for 20 minutes or overnight, and then you're gonna rinse it off. So this is one that is gonna deeply condition and leave your hair soft and smooth and the scalp nourished. I wish I could see the ingredients in this one so that I could see if it contains a lot of silicone, because I don't want a deep treatment to contain silicone, because then I feel like it just doesn't really work. And not in a product that is expensive as these are, but I will maybe put it on the screen if it is like super or if it contains silicone or not. Then we got this Jade Roller. I actually love products like these. I use them from time to time, and I actually have this one. So this is also gonna go in a giveaway for one of you guys. But this says to really take your skincare regimen to the next level. This is a Brushwork facial roller, and that is exactly what you need. It works to alleviate puffiness, tension in the face. This tool is great for massaging your favorite serums, moisturizers, and face masks onto your skin, and you're supposed to use this 5 minutes daily. Whenever I get really puffy, I have one of those tools and then one from the Body Shop that I usually do like right here, because when I swell, you get a lot of water in your face. So when I swell, I take it right here and I do it every single day just for a few minutes, and then like in 1 or 2 days you're just like massaging away all of that water, and it disappears and makes your face look less puffy. So if that is something that you struggle with, that is something that you could do as well. We also got this little brush from Luxie, and I've heard great things about them. I think I actually have like 2 brushes from them. This is a 209 large shader brush, which is worth 15 pounds. You can use this for cream and powder eyeshadows. Obviously, it is a synthetic Luxie eye brush. I am super excited to use this. I like to pack on shadows with these or blend out my under eyes with it. So that is gonna be super fun to use, and I'm really excited about that. Actually, that brush is what I think is the most fun in the entire box. Then we got a product from Elemis. This is also something that I am super excited about. This is, let's see, their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I wanted to purchase this for so long, but the big one, but they're super expensive. But this is anyway a anti-aging cream. So it says like this, that it uses maximum concentrate of Padina pavonica, and that says that it is a powerful marine extract to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and Lord knows I need it on my forehead. And then the last one is a little Illamasqua highlight. I am gonna put this in a little giveaway as well, because I actually have this but in a full size. This is in the shade Oh My God. I can just show you guys mine. So here it is. It's a super beautiful champagne gold. Looks like that. And then that is how it swatches, and it's beautiful. I have talked about this, and I actually ranked it pretty high in my ranking all of my highlighters. So if you wanted to see that, you can just click right up here. That is all from me today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.